Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. Just giving you guys a look at my lovely red potatoes. I soften up their root study. So, you know, they're looking pretty decent. See, this coming up nice. Okay, this is my collard greens. I allow them to go, so these seeds now is what I'm waiting for. Then I'm gonna dry them, then I'm gonna put them away for a little, then I'm gonna plant them, set them like in July, August. Because I like to plant them a little before, a little when the fall is coming on. This is my lettuce then. This is my mince, different type of mince I have. I have some peppers plant right here. They now start bossing. The heados. This is my okra, them still coming up. I did a nice softening up right here around these tomatoes. So they're looking healthy. Yeah. This is my garlic right there. This is my basil. All these is banana pepper right there. And then this is some potato. I gotta give you a look at my peach tree. I clean up under it. Look how lovely it's looking. So let me give you a little view. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget, please like, subscribe and share. Share this video that people could see how to plant and how to take care of their vegetables. Please give me a thumbs up and share the vehicle. Thank you.